Hello everybody, welcome back to Chaitanya Pixel. Microsoft releases several updates every year. In this video, I will walk you through 5 exciting new Excel features for 2026. This includes a long-awaited automatic pivot table refresh, error handling, and other major important updates. Let's jump right in. Here I have product sales data. I will place the cursor within the data and go to Insert, click on Pivot Table and choose Existing Worksheet. I am going to select F3 cell, click OK. Now you can observe this. Since there is a note here, it is not able to create a pivot table, hence it is showing the spill error. If I select category into rows, it will not show the error. Suppose if I choose product into columns, it shows a spill error because it will not able to update the pivot table across the columns as the note is already available. I'm going to delete this note. Immediately pivot table will be updated, and then select the sales data. All the sales will be analyzed as per the category and product columns. Pivot table auto refresh. For this example also, I have the same data. I will place the cursor within the data, go to Insert, click on Pivot Table, choose Existing Sheet, select F3 cell, click OK. I will drag the category into rows, product into columns, sales into value section. Baked biscuits, already 86 is there. You can observe this baked biscuits, already 86 is there. If I make 50 here, it will not be automatically updated. Until or unless we refresh the pivot table, the data will not be updated. Suppose if I refresh it, the data is updated now. Instead of manually refreshing, there is automate refresh. Click on this auto refresh. Whenever you make any change, this will automatically updates. I'm going to change this to 100. See, now the biscuits category is automatically updated without any manual refresh. This is one major and a long waited feature that every Excel user was waiting for. Amazing, right? Error handling. You can see some formula errors here. Whenever you move a cursor here, a little drop down will be showing like show calculation steps, help on this error, and ignore error. This is the latest new feature added into Excel from Microsoft. When you click on show calculation steps, you can easily evaluate. Click on this. You can see B10 is 0 and C10 is total. 0 multiplied by total, it will show error. This formula should be actually sum of the sales column. So change this to equals to sum and select the sales column, click OK. Now this formula is updated. Again, come to this formula. You can take the help on this error or ignore this error. Let's say we'll go to help on this error. Now this will show various steps how to handle the errors also. This is a very good information provided by Microsoft. When you come to this formula, you can open this formula. You see this must be again some function. Since the name of the function is wrong, it shows the name error. When I fix this as sum, it automatically updates the value. It's not about the value or name errors. In fact, any formula error in Excel, you can use these error handling tips to avoid the formula errors. Awesome, right? Focus cell. Focus cell is another exciting feature added into Microsoft Excel. When you go to the view ribbon, you can see focus cell. When you click focus cell, it automatically highlights the active cell where it is. When you are working with a very large number of data and you are not aware where the cursor is placed, so you can go to view ribbon and click on focus cell. It automatically highlights the active cursor within the data range. Also, you can also change the colors here. You can go to focus cell color and choose whatever the color you wish to use. It will update the lighter shade of that selected color. If you would like to learn more about a focus cell, I have a very detailed video in my channel. You can click this video. Regex extract. Regex functions are very much useful and powerful functions added into Microsoft Excel again. Again, it's an amazing feature. Here I have the product and the product code combined together. If I would like to extract only the product code into one column and a product name into another column, I can easily use regex extract function, select the cell, and then the regex pattern is double quote backslash small d plus double quote close bracket. This regex expression will extract only the numbers from the alphanumeric text. You can see all the numbers have been extracted here. Similarly, if I would like to extract only the alphabets, regex extract, select the text, comma, double quote, backslash, capital D plus close double quote, close bracket. This will extract only the alphabet from the given text. You can see some additional spaces are there before the text. You can open this and you can use the trim function to avoid those extra spaces. So regex extract function neatly extracted the product code and product name from the product details column. If you would like to learn more about the regex extract functions, you can check this video in my channel for a full detailed video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.